Today in this class we have to discuss about exercise 1.5 on real numbers. First main we have classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. First question 2 minus root 5. Second question 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Third one 2 root 7 divided by 7 root 7. Fourth one 1 by root 2. Fifth one 2 pi. In earlier class we have discussed about what are rational and irrational. Is it rational, which is in the form of expressed in p by q. Q is not equals to 0. Irrational is nothing but which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. See here, root 5 is irrational and root 7 is irrational. Root 7 also irrational. Even root 23 also irrational. Root 23 also irrational. But these two will get cancelled. Is it? 3 is remained. 3 is a rational number. Is it? See here, root 7 will get cancelled. 2 by 7 is a rational number. See, 1 by root 2. Here root 2 is an irrational. So 1 by root 2 is irrational. See here, 2 pi. 2 pi is also irrational because what is the value of pi? Indian value is 22 by 7, which is equal to 3.143, so on. Let us see solution. First one, 2 minus root 5. Fourth one, 1 by root 2. And fifth one, 2 pi. These three are irrational. Next, see here, second one, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Root plus and minus will get cancelled. Is it? 3 is remained is equal to 3. Next, see here, third one, 2 root 7 divided by 7 root 7. Root 7 will get cancelled. 2 by 7. These two are rational. Dear students, now second main we have simplify each of the following expressions. First question we have 3 plus root 3 into bracket 2 plus root 2. See here, 3 into bracket 2 plus root 2. 3 into bracket 2 plus root 2, it can be write as plus root 3 into bracket 2 plus root 2. Root 3 into bracket root 2, root 3 into bracket 2 plus root 2 is equal to 3 2s are 6 plus 3 into root 2, 3 root 2 plus root 3 into 2, 2 root 3 plus into plus. Root 3 into root 2. See here, so order is same. Order is same on square root. So we have to multiply 3 and 2. Square root of 3 2s are 6. This is the answer. 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. Dear students, second question we have 3 plus root 3 into bracket 3 minus root 3. Is it? We know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This is a, b. This is a, this is b. See here, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Therefore, 3 plus root 3 into bracket 3 minus root 3 is equal to 3 square minus b square means what? Root 3. Root 3 whole square. Square root will get cancelled. 3 square 9. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Okay. Minus 3. 9 minus 3, which is equal to 6. This is the answer. Dear students, third question we have square root of 5 plus square root of 2 whole square. Is it? We know that conditional identity a plus b whole square formula. Is it? We know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Is it? This is a, this is b. Okay. Square root of 5 plus square root of 2 whole square is equal to square root of 5 whole square plus 2 into a is equal to root 5 into b is equal to root 2. Okay. Plus b square. B means root 2. Root 2 whole square. See here, square root will get cancelled. Here also square root will get cancelled. Is equal to 5 plus 2 into square root of 5 into square root of 2. See, order is same. Multiply 5 and 2. Okay. Into square root of 10 plus 2. Okay. See here, 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 should add. Okay. 7. 7 plus 2 root 10 is the answer. Dear students, fourth question we have, see, which is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Is it? This is a, this is b. A, b. Okay. We know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay. Here see, a plus b into a minus b. Root 5 minus root 2 into bracket root 5 plus root 2 is equal to a is equal to what? Square root of 5. Root 5 whole square minus square root of 2 whole square. Square and root will get cancelled. Okay. Remaining is 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. This is the answer. Dear students, now we have to discuss about third main. Recall, pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference, say C of a circle, okay, to its diameter. AOB is a diameter, that is pi is equal to C by D. Okay, see, yes, given here pi is equal to C by D. See, circumference of a circle, which is equal to 2 pi r, and diameter is equal to how many radius? 2 times of it, 2 radius or 2 times of radius. See here, r will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled, will equal to pi only. Therefore, pi is equal to C by D. This seems to contradict this fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? Dear students, see, with a scale or tape, we get only an approximate rational number. We get only approximate rational number as a result of our measurement. That is why pi can be approximate. Pi can be approximately represented as a quotient of two rational numbers. As a matter of mathematical truth, it is irrational. Okay, according to this contradiction. Okay, answer. With a scale or tape, we get only an approximate rational number. As the result of our measurement That is why pi can be approximately represented as a quotient of two rational numbers. As a matter of our mathematical truth is irrational. As a matter of mathematical truth, it is irrational. This is the answer, is it? See, this is the circumference of a circle, and AOB is in diameter, OP is in radius. Okay, diameter is equal to 2 times of radius, is it? Only it is possible with a scale or tape we get only approximate rational number. Got it? Okay, according to this result about our contradiction, mathematical truth, it is irrational.